In the Holy Quran it is written that Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the Khatana Nabi. I would like to know if the Holy Quran is the Khatana Kitab.
That's right. It is not only an ishara, it's very clearly stated. In the verse, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم اليوم أكملت لكم دينكم وأتممت عليكم نعمتي ورضيت لكم الإسلام دينا. This is the verse which is supposed to be last or one of the very last ones. It says, today we have perfected your faith and we are, from now on, we are pleased with this deen, Islam, to be your deen forever. So this perfection relates to the perfection, the revelation of the Quran having come to an end. So this perfection positively, evidently refers to the Quran being the Khatamul Kutub. Hazrat Masih Islam has mentioned this repeatedly in his observations, oral and written both, that the Quran is Khatamul Kutub, and he draws his inferences from not only this verse, but from also many other verses of the Holy Quran.